And we're back. We're back with another video. Today I got fried Korean chicken. Fried Korean chicken from Barbecue Chicken on West Tom. And with that we got some tteokbokki. The little stuff that they be eating on there. Okay, so that looks amazing. They had the rose tteokbokki. I think I just got regular tteokbokki. Without further ado, let's get into the food. Okay, alright. I'm just gonna let me get a fork real quick, and I'm gonna try one of these wings. First bite for you. Y'all see that wing? Okay, let's see. It's hot. Alright, so yeah, I see what the hype is about. It's delicious. It's fried really good, spicy. Try with some they definitely okay. It's hot. I'm gonna have to let it cool off. That's piping hot. So, but that's amazing. Let's try out this tteokbokki. That's definitely cabbage. Okay. It's better than it looks on YouTube. Okay. Yeah. Let's get one of these wings. First bite for you. It's hot. Yeah. They didn't miss the mark at all. It didn't miss the mark. Let's get some more of this tteokbokki. Ooh, that's hot. Whew. Now, it's hot. Let me get some more. I like mine's fried very crispy, so not mine's. I'm gonna put mine in the air fryer for about 10 more minutes. It's just the way I like my meat done in my wings. That's good, don't get me wrong. But it's gonna be better. I'll be right back. Alright, so boom. Wow, that is in the fryer. It's really good. The taste is amazing. This is interesting right here. This is like fancy ravioli. I ain't gonna eat all this though. And we are back. We are back. We back like that. So this is the barbecue chicken. I don't know how to put it. Something like that. I don't know. But let's get back into it. I'm kind of full already. Cause they big. I'm gonna eat this egg with this cheesy tteokbokki. And then I'm gonna have one more wing. I just got these out the air fryer. I'm done. I'm full. I'm full. I'm full. I'm full. I'm full. Let's get a that bad boy hot. It's piping hot. I just got out the air fryer. I'm definitely gonna come back to this later on tonight. If you know what I meant. Let me see if that air fryer made it taste better. I just got food. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 flakes and 2 drumsticks. I'm gonna eat a flake. That boy hot. Ooh. Let that bad boy cool down. That boy hot. And this is thick. It's thick as I don't know what over here. We're gonna hold up on the cheese. It's good though. I just don't see, maybe they just eat once a day. Cause I don't see how they be eating all that in one sitting. That's good. Let's hit that with some it's just hot. Some sauce. It's cool. All right, y'all. Thanks for eating. If you're eating with me, like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends and family, uncles, brothers, sisters, and cousins. And I post this when I post this. I may post this years from now. Who knows? I'm gonna do it as a short. Short first. A dog cut. Oh my God, I'm bleeding. All right, y'all. I'll be back.